We should schedule our wedding next year, babe. Ang daming kailangan pagplanuhin. Ayoko madaliin to.
Of course, Giselle. Kung ano gusto mo, mahal.
We're getting married, Dex!
Paano kung bumalik yung greatest what if mo? Anong gagawin
Huwag
mo?
mo akong titigan.
Please,
Can't help it, Ishi. Naramdaman ko hindi ka okay, kaya dinalhan kita ng pagkain. Mahal kita, Dex. Happy 4th anniversary, Ishi. Will you marry me? Hindi pa ako ready, Dex. Kung ganon, hihintayin kita.
But you can't.
Ishi. Ishi, wait. I'm sorry, I'm late, hubby.
It's okay. Are you hungry?
Hungry, not hungry.
Let's go, wife.
Siya ba yun?
Giselle.
Yung babaeng kinukwento mo nung nasa getting to know each other stage para tayo 2 years ago? The woman who rejected your proposal because she wasn't ready?
Let's go back. I'm sorry, love.
Why did you propose, Dex?
Giselle, please.
What did you feel after knowing that she's already married to someone else? Ang dami sigurong what if dyan sa utak mo, no? What if hinintay mo siya? What if you stay beside her while she's reaching her dreams? What if hindi ka napagod? What if...
Stop.
I wonder kung ito yung sing-sing na dapat para sa kanya. I just have a final question and I want you to be honest with me. Umasa ka ba na single pa rin siya hanggang ngayon?
Yes.
Thank you for the wonderful 2 years. Wala na mangyayaring kasal.